To create a GL Math Practice Assessment, start by answering 3 short questions. Your curriculum and year group will automatically be filled in based on your account settings. Next, enter how many questions you'd like your students to answer. If you'd like to create a practice assessment covering all topics, leave the lesson objective box blank. If you want to focus on specific topics, enter them in this box. Then, select whether you'd like students to write their own answers or choose from multiple choice options. Once you're ready, click Generate. Your questions will appear instantly, ready for you to review. Take a moment to check all questions carefully, including the multiple choice options. Because AI can make mistakes, it's important to review the content before use. An answer key will also be provided to make correcting quick and easy. If you'd like to make adjustments, use the Regenerate bar. Simply describe the changes you want and click Regenerate. When you're satisfied with your assessment, export it in your preferred document format. And don't forget to explore our other GL assessment tools designed to help your students achieve the best results possible.